Bangalore City Police has been relentlessly pursuing the various drug peddlers who are trying to operate in the city, both local as well as who are from other state or even in certain cases from out of the countries. And the CCB anti-narcotic squad in one such operation has successfully apprehended a drug peddler who was in the process of selling drugs worth nearly about 2.5 crore rupees. From his possession, police have seized about 3.5 kg of hydro ganja, marijuana 16 kgs, LSD strips 40 units, charas 130 gram, MDMA crystal 2.3 kg, and certain weighing machines and 2 mobile phones and other things. The accused is basically a tattoo artist, and besides being a tattoo artist, he was also indulging in drug peddling, and this huge quantity of drugs has been seized from him. The total worth of this drugs seized from him is nearly about 2.5 crore rupees. Similarly, police have also launched a crackdown on various drug peddlers indulging in sale of cannabis as well as sale of MDMA in the city, and ಏನಂತಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವ ಅದೇ. Yes, regarding cannabis, 7 police stations, they have seized nearly about more than 33 kgs of cannabis worth about 13.3 lakh rupees, and 11 accused have been apprehended. This cannabis, police have found out, is basically coming from other states like Tripura, Orissa, Jharkhand, Manipur, and other states, and police have arrested 11 persons in this regard. Similarly, MDMA also, 4 police stations have arrested 6 persons, and nearly about 10 lakh worth of MDMA, about more than 150 grams of MDMA has been seized from these 6 persons. So basically, as I said, police have kept a high vigil on supply of sale of drugs in the city, and we have been catching large number of drugs and also apprehending drug peddlers who so far were not in the police radar. These are all new drug peddlers who have entered into this thing, and police have already arrested them.